Hello guide, this is your tarot guide Swati Popatkar, career guide, NLP counselor and spellcaster and tarot reader. So friend, book your tarot session with me and get 3 lovely bonuses. First is the success card. The success card. This card is charged with the sun energy to attract more success in your life. Second one is the ace of pentacle to attract a more financial opportunity in your life. These two cards you have to stick in the east side of your room. And third one is Lakshmi Yantra. This will also help to attract a more financial opportunity in your life. This card you can carry in your pocket, wallet, and purses. So, if you want to become a lucky client to receive all these 3 bonuses, please book your session with me. And for that, DM me in the comment section, in the chat section. Thank you very much, friends.